Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 24 of the June Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. And today we have a easy problem. Maybe I haven't done one in a couple of whatever, but let's do an extra bonus problem after this, obviously. So we'll do this. Hit the subscribe button, like button, whatever you need to do. And then I'll do another problem after this. Let's go. 2200. Find all k distance indices in an array. Alright, so you're given 0 index integer array nums, key and k. K distance index is the index of I with at least one index j such that I minus j is less than or equal to k, and nums of j is equal to key. So basically, okay, so let's say you have key 9, then this and this is 5, so then what are we supposed to return? Oh, sorted order. Oh, okay. I was like, what am I returning? I didn't know what I was returning. But okay, I mean, seems pretty straightforward, right? Basically, if you have a number, you find all the numbers, and then anything that's within k, and then you merge maybe. But yeah, and especially since this is n, you can write n is 1000. You write n square stuff. That's easier. But I don't think we need to do n. Let's just kind of write it out, right? I mean, this is easy, so hopefully an n squared is fast enough, right? But let's see if we can do better than that, and we should be able to do better than that. But yeah, I think the first thing I would do is just find the indexes in which nums of I is equal to key, right? So maybe you have like indexes is that append I, right? Except for what we want in this case, right? Let's say you have index I. I'm too lazy to draw it out because this is an easy problem. But let's say we have index I that is matching the key. And k equals to 1, a little bit spoiler, means that it goes from k equals I, or I is the index, minus k, right? So I minus k to I plus k is true. So that's the equivalent of saying if this is true, we want to flip I minus 1, or I minus k plus 1, dot, 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 all the way to I plus k, right? And of course, now you can, if you want to, maybe you don't have to, but the way that I think about it is that you can think of this now as a segment. And then we're just trying to write out the intersection of these segments, all of which are of length k, or k times 2 plus 1, right? K on one side, and that's it. So then now maybe I would write something like index minus k, right? Now, of course, by definition, this is already sorted because you're going from left to right. And then now we will do it again, right? So then here, well, we have indexes is equal to list, and yeah, maybe we have like a max thing, and this is like a sweep line, right? And max is just given the number that we have. Let's actually make this a queue so I could remove it. It's not necessary, you can do other things, but you say max is, or maybe like right most is a better word. Right most is equal to 0, right? And then here maybe we go while length of indexes is greater than 0, and indexes, the first element is less than or equal to I. Yeah, if this is the case, then we do index pop left, but then we set right most is equal to max, right most indexes of 0 plus k plus 1. No, just plus k, right? And then that's the last index that we care about, right? Maybe it is plus 1, but I think this is right. Right? Because the indexes contains the left side of the segment, and then now we want to update the right side, right? So that means that now, if I is less than or equal to rightmost, then we answer that append I, and we should be good. Maybe, maybe not. I mean, we kind of turned this problem into a harder one, right? Because we made it O of n. But yeah. Oh, why? Tell me why. 0, 1, 2, minus 1. I mean, I guess it just returns all the numbers, so that's not that's a lucky win, if you will. But yeah, 9. Then now white mode is because white mode is 0, so it should be -1. Whoops. Okay. Honestly, the examples are kind of crappy, so I don't know. I'm gonna YOLO submit because I'm lazy, but I wouldn't be surprised if I get it wrong. But okay, did get it right though. So not so bad. Yeah. And the way that we did it, of course, is going to be linear time, linear space. But we did convert it to a slightly harder problem of doing segments and try to figure out, well, what are the overlapping pieces are, right? And this is basically the idea. The rightmost will allow you to construct the rightmost of the last segment that it intersects with. And then indexes contains the left side of the segments. So now if we're popping this, meaning that intersects with the beginning of the segment, then now we want to establish the rightmost part of it, which is now, this plus k plus k. And then if the current I is within that range, then we converted it. And that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Linear time, linear space. Thanks for watching. Stay good. Stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.